All right, guys, so we're looking at the old Farmall Super A here, and I'm looking for some help. I'm hoping somebody's going to see this video and can tell me what to do to fix this. The foot of the tire is peeling up. It looks like that's where they laid it down in one piece, you know, all the lugs laid down, and this is where it comes back down, and that was, I'm sure, sealed, and that's the seam. So I called my local tire guy. They do a lot of ag stuff, and he said actually he doesn't know of anything, and he, as a matter of fact, has an Oliver that's doing the same thing. So he's not real concerned about it. He doesn't know that there's any real fix to it. His old Oliver doesn't get much use either. Well, I called M.E. Miller Tire Company just a minute ago, and the guy told me there's really nothing that they sell that could fix that. I'm thinking, you know, some kind of rubber cement, some kind of vulcanizing compound. You know, they sell two-part stuff. I know there's rubber repair stuff. I just don't know what the hell to do. So if you're seeing this video, you got any ideas? I mean, the best thing I can come up with is, you know, some kind of smear a bunch of rubber cement down in there, and, you know, or heat it up first, clean it good, heat it up, and then smear a bunch of rubber cement in there and mash it down. If you guys got any other suggestions, I'd love to hear them in the comments down there. Thanks for watching.